Hi, this is AJ Plant of ajplant.com, otherwise known as The Agent, A-J-E-N-T. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to talk about residential real estate today. 4 things that you got to know. 1 is we get pre-qualified. Find out how much we can afford to shop for. Number 2 is we want to actually find the house. Number 3 is once we do find the house, we want to negotiate and find the best possible dealer at market or lower. And then the last thing is just to figure out, well, what do you do after you bought the property? So number 1 is pre-qualification. Generally, we refer you to a mortgage broker or a bank, and they go through all your numbers and see how much you can afford to buy. Number 2 is we want to take a look at location and see, well, do we want to live in the East End, West End, South End? Where do we want to live, and is it the best place for you and your family? Number 3 is once we do find that place, we want to negotiate. So we take care of, as agents, putting in the offer, doing the paperwork, putting in the proper conditions, and doing all those things that you're protected to make sure that the conditions and the house itself is in proper shape. So once we've gone through that, we call that, it's firm, it's a done deal. Well, what happens after? That's the biggest mystery is, well, once we've negotiated, found the house, and done all those things, where do we go from there? Well, we make sure that we send all the stuff to your lawyer, all the paperwork's taken care of, all the I's are dotted, the T's are crossed, and we'll constantly follow up with you to make sure that you've made the proper appointments and signed the right contracts with your bank and your lawyer. And then when you move in, generally I'll swing by with some food and we'll have a little party. AJ Plant of ajplant.com, otherwise known as The Agent. Thanks for tuning in.